So hello everyone. So the next topic that we are going to discuss is about comments. Now comments are an interesting thing. You see, comments are very much required in program. They are not mandatory. They are the part of the code that doesn't actually gets executed. It's just for the information. If I have written a is equal to 3.14, right? Just a minute, 3.14. Right. So now what does a means actually, because it's just a variable and we don't have any idea. Now what we can actually do, we can add a single line comment using a hash and just write this holds this holds the value of pi, right? So this information that this holds the value of a pi is called as a comment, or also known as a documentation in a program, because it tells about what this particular variable a is, right? It doesn't have any execution purpose. That is, it doesn't get executed. Whatever you write in it, it really doesn't matter, right? So comments can be done in two ways, a single line and a multi-line. So here we have demonstrated that using a hash we can add a single line comment. That means we cannot move it to the next line, right? If I have to write another line of a comment, I have to add another hash, right? As many hash I can add in a program doesn't matter, and each and every line on each and every line I have to do it. So this is one of the way. Another way is to do a multi-line comment, right, using something called as a triple quote. So let me demonstrate it. So this was a multi-line, this was a single line comment. I can add another if I want. I can have another, this is the second line, right? So as we said, in case of a single line, that is using a hash, for every other line we have to add another hash, right? Now another way is using a triple quote, right? So as you can see, I've added a triple quote. Now I can write as many lines I want. Okay, so this is a multi-line comment, right? And I can add as many lines as I want, doesn't matter. So these are the two ways through which comments can be written in a program, right? Now again, what are its benefits? The only benefit is that later on when you will come to your program and you won't be confused that what is this particular value was meant for, or what was this particular logic. So comments or documentation of a program is very much important, and you see in functions it's very much important, because it tells your user, those people who are going to use your function as an API, what are its input, in what format it will give an output, and these nitty-gritties information can be provided using a comment, right? So that is all about comments again, right? So we have two types: a single line comment done using something called as a hash, and we have a multi-line comment, and which is done using three quotes, right? So at the starting we'll put three quotes, and at the end we will put three quotes, right? So this was all about comments. Thank you for watching.